Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to apply font size and font style to a text in Excel. So let's begin. Okay, so now we are going to create a blank workbook. Here you can see these rectangle boxes are known as cells. There are total 1,048,576 rows and 16,384 columns in Excel. In cell, you can write your text. For example, I am going to write here as how are you. So now you can see a text here. Now, how to add font size to a text in Excel. To add font size, go to Home tab. Then in font group, you will find option as font size here. From here, you can apply your font size to a text. For example, I am going to apply here 18. Okay. Now, how to add font style to a text in Excel? First, go to Home tab. Then font group. Here you will find this option as font. From here you can select any font. I am going to select here as Arial Black. So now you can see font size and font style both are applied to a text in Excel. That's it for today, and don't forget to join us on Discord. Goodbye.